guys, welcome back to me VR, and in today's video I am with Sweat on VR. Show yourself. Anyways, we're going to be doing some codes and so this is Sweat on VR. Say hello. This is Sweat on VR. Hello.
Oh, hi.
Anyways, so we're going to be sharing the backstory and anyway, so we're going to be doing the backstory and loads of different codes of, so like we're going to be doing the backstory of Bongo and how the plane crashed, but also the different codes to get these kind of cosmetics. So Sweat on VR, shall we go up to the plane? Anyway, so we're going to be doing all of the codes. Well, not all of them, but most of the codes. Okay, so
here are all the codes in Monkey See, Monkey Do Do. So the first one is actually, so no caps, APPLE.
if you don't know who Sweat on VR is, you may. I do. He is my IRL friend, so good friends. So go sub to him. He is awesome, you know. And yeah, when he gets back, because I don't know many codes, when he gets back I'll be teaching you them. They're like all of the codes, or the cosmetic codes in this game. Anyway, so good. No. Oh yeah, I missed it. So yeah, he's just, I'm gonna be just talking to you guys because why not? And maybe I ain't patient, so. Even when my mother goes into the shop, and then I'm just like, what took you so long? When she came in for my SpaghettiOs, right? She only went into the shop for SpaghettiOs, and then she came out with a ton load of plants, a ton load of other food bits, a ton load of beer and gin, right? No pasta for me. Makes no sense. She had to go in again and then she comes out with even more things. Mums these days. Anyway. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. I'm bored. There's such thing as boredom can be. You will be there for me. Sorry, maybe it's not good at singing. Oh my God, see the way you shine. Make me wanna cry. They say, bruh, is there anything else that I can do except singing? I can jump on a tree. Ha. Ooh, I see you every time. I like your style. Ooh, you make me wanna cry. I need to wait. Oh. I think I'm gonna end the video here, and then I'll be right back when Sweat is back. Okay, so bye.